guess what? The trail is not dusty this morning because it's been raining since last night. I don't even know what time it started, about 11, 12, maybe even earlier. I don't know what was going on last night. I had to got up 3 times to use the bathroom. And it was raining every time. So it is Sunday, September 8th. My 70th day on trail, I believe. And it was pretty miserable this morning. It was raining, had to pack up in the rain. So everything's wet. And, you know, I mean, that's all right. But what pisses me off is I'm missing all these great views. This is a beautiful section. And so, yeah, all of yesterday afternoon had no views. Now it's a total whiteout. So I'm on top of the mountain. I've been hiking since about 10:30. I was super late leaving camp. It just takes so long when it's raining. But this trail, it doesn't look like it looks like you're walking on the moon. It's flat, it's nothing but lava boulders everywhere and wildflowers. And I'm at about 6,500 feet. So it is cold, wind's whipping, raining, fingers are already frozen. Nothing I hadn't walked through before though, right? So yeah, according to the forecast I saw before I left, it was supposed to be a nice day today. But whatever, deal with it. On a good note, I had no kidney stone pain yesterday or last night. Woohoo! I was actually even able to sleep on my left side. I'm a side sleeper and I usually sleep on my left, but that's the side my kidney hurts. So I was able to sleep last night on my left and right. Usually I've been sleeping on my right here for the last week. So I looked on gut hooks and now I've already forgotten, 51 miles from Shelter Cove Resort, where my next box is. So yeah, I brought entirely too much food. And even though I ate yesterday, my backpack's heavier today because everything's wet. Woo! Haven't seen a soul today, actually, other than there was a couple trail runners. And this would be a nice section to run on. It's not hilly and the trail's pretty smooth. Yeah, I just wish I could see. What I can see is beautiful. But I can only see about as far as you can. And I think the skies seem to be lightening up, so maybe it's going to clear off. But wow, what a year in the PCT. You know, every year something's different, but I mentioned this before in videos. I've watched hundreds of PCT videos and I've seen hikers do this whole trail and never get a drop of rain on them. This has to be the 20th time I've been rained on. Yep. So, good morning. What are y'all doing out here in the rain?
Well, finishing our loop. How about you?
I'm going to Mexico.
Nice. Well, hopefully it's warmer down there for you.
I tell you, let me turn this off. Well, I'm starting to go downhill a little bit and enter the forest. And I think the rain stopped. Now that I entered the forest, so I'm getting this just dripping from the trees. But before that, it seemed like the rain had stopped. But the wind's picked up, so it's a little chilly. Actually, though, I'm in a good mood today. I don't know why. I wasn't this morning when it rained all morning while I was trying to pack up, but I think it's because I'm not in pain. The ankles feel good. I've actually was able to tighten my belt this morning on my backpack. I haven't been able to do that in a week. As I mentioned before, you're carrying probably 70% of your load is on your hips. You tighten these belts down real tight, and keeps it weight off your shoulders. So my shoulders for a week have been killing me. So maybe that's why I'm in a good mood. I'm a little pain-free today. So, and I'm hoping it clears up. So I don't know how many miles I'm gonna do today. Like I said, I didn't get started at 10:30. It was, I didn't wake up till, well, I woke up at 6. Got up to use the restroom for the 3rd time. Or pee in the woods. Use the restroom. And I got back in the tent and I said, man, I need to get my butt up. Get going early today. Next thing I knew, I woke up and it was 8 o'clock. Or maybe even 8:30. I think it was 8:30. And I was like, what the blink? Well, it's 12:30. Done 4 miles. So I have finally picked my pace up the last few days. Well, actually before. Yeah. Pretty much I've been doing a little over 2 miles an hour. And today's been pretty easy terrain. Still raining though. I still think it's going to clear up. Wishful thinking. But no views. Still on this kind of like walking on the moon. And you're not gonna, oh, sunshine. Little ray of sunshine. Cross paths with a few more people doing this Sisters Loop. Must be a real popular loop. Still in good spirits even though it's raining. And it doesn't seem to be as cold because the wind's stopped a little bit. Actually, I'm getting warm in this raincoat too. Oh, somebody, one of my viewers asked me what I wear when I wash my clothes in town. So pretty much I wear this jacket or I got a wind jacket too. And I don't know, my rain kilt and my camp shoes. So I walk through the town like that, or usually the hotels have laundromats, but this one, the last stop I had to walk into town. But hey, got to do what you got to do. Because you got to wash everything. It stinks. Come on, son. Oh yeah. She's trying to break through. I actually saw some blue skies. So I'm ready to see some scenery. How about y'all? So I was thinking, I mentioned this on a video way back that I was hoping to cross paths with IB Tat He's a YouTuber I like. And, I have no idea where he is though. I meant to check when I was in town, and I just didn't have the time. I had a lot to do when I was in Sisters. When you're resupplying yourself, that's a whole day of work. So, and I asked a couple other hikers if they seen him or knew him, and they didn't though. Because I'm pretty sure, I know he's in Oregon. But, you know, when I'm in town, taking my days off, he could pass on by. He's a guy from Detroit that lives in the South now. He did the AT last year. He got real popular on YouTube, and he's doing the PCT now. And he's going straight through. When I left my sister's, he was entering the Sierras. So that's the last episodes I've seen. Here's my current view. Kind of walking on top of the mountain again. So there's your 360 pan. But it's kind of nice that the trail is a little damp because it is not dusty, because this stuff is just that crushed lava stone, and it is dusty, dirty. Whoa, I actually got a break in the clouds. Well, the camera's not gonna pick it up though. I can see a mountain back there, right in that little saddle. All right, well, I'm gonna get to hiking, and 4 miles at 12:30. So it looks like probably going to be another 12-mile day, which is okay. So if it's dry tomorrow, I'm going to get my butt up early and do like 16, 18, make those miles back up. All right. Oh, I wanted to mention too, if my family watches my videos, I have no idea. I hadn't heard from them. Other than I missed my son's birthday, my daughter-in-law's birthday, his wife, and my 2 grandsons' birthday. So happy birthday, David, Amy, Cameron, and Brody. So hope y'all are doing well. I know you're in the end of the Bama games now. So anyway, happy birthday from the trail. Well, it's about 1:30. I'm about looking for somewhere to take a break. Been hiking for 3 hours. And it's trying to clear up. I keep saying that, and then it'll get dark. It hasn't rained for a while, but the sun will come out and then it'll get black again. But it's going back and forth. But I think it's going to clear up. And I'm starting to have a little kidney pain. Not too bad though. Walking on top of the mountain again. It's, I guess, Oregon's version of a meadow. Lava rock meadow. Oh, look, blue sky. Woohoo! But I passed a couple more section hikers. I was talking to one and talking about all the rain this year in the PCT. He goes, yeah, but look at it this way. There hasn't been any fires this year. So yeah, the people that have hiked when there's fires everywhere, of course you don't have views either because of the smoke. And it's almost sickening like after breathing that for days and days. So it's one thing or the other. Can't be perfect all the time. I just want it to be. Well, it's 2 o'clock. Took about a 20-minute break at the creek, got some water, and ate some bars and trail mix crap. Starting to get sick of this food. Unfortunately, I hadn't been to a real town where I can try to find something different. Need a Walmart. Well, it clouded back up. The sun was coming out. I actually see a mountain over there. Some snow on it. But while I was at the water source, a girl came by and she had a big backpack on. And started talking with her. She's wow, I didn't ask her, but I could tell she was from Australia. And she said she did 1,600 miles of the trail last year. And she's finishing up doing the last 1,000 this year. And I have a feeling that's probably what's going to happen to me because I am so far behind. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. There are some mountains over there. And I'm getting ready to go through a little burn section. So yeah, I'm afraid that's what's going to happen to me because hell, it's already September 8th and I'm not even NoCal yet. And then when you get to NoCal, you got 700 miles before Sierra starts. So the time I get there, it's gonna be snowing. So if that's the case, I'll stop there and come back next year and finish it up. Like I mentioned before, I decided not to flip and skip and do all that crap. Gonna hike as far as I can hike and finish it next year if I have to, which probably is going to happen. So I get to hiking because I want to get 12 in. Well, it's about 4:30. Started raining about an hour ago. Just, yeah, drizzle. But the trail kind of looks like I'm in the open plains. Goes right up through here, this grassy area. And then to my left, I got this giant wall of lava rock. So we're just skirting the side of that. But I can see, you can't because of the fog, but the trail goes all the way up, right up this grassy area. Not sure what you call that. Mesa? Oh, there's a little view. Oh my God. Well, it is. I think it's about 7 o'clock. Made it to mile 694. Started raining again at 2:30, and it's still raining. Every freaking thing except what I have on, and my sleeping bag is soaked. Wow. This is probably the most miserable day I've had on trail. Time I got here, my fingers weren't working and all that. I got here at 5:45, but it took me 3 times as long to put my tent up. So I ended up doing about exactly what I did yesterday, about 12.6. And I ran into a no-bow. God, my kidney is killing me. Ran into a no-bow that said, you know, the weather was supposed to be nice, like I said. And now I heard that it's supposed to be like this for 2 more days. If there was a place to get off trail and get in a hotel, I'd go. But it's, there's my watch. It is, wow, it's 7:30. I haven't even eaten. And I'm not cooking, so I am having Nutella peanut butter and wraps for dinner. I bought some flour tortillas. I'm just going to spread it on that and have some wraps. Hell, each one of them's like 800 calories. Ah, what a miserable day. Missing all the views. Oh well, let's hope tomorrow's better. Actually, tomorrow I'll hit mile 700. And if it keeps up raining like this, my kidney hurts, I may just say, blanket, I'm going home. My kidney is killing me right now. So anyway, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.